Councilor.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome Honorable Attorney Luna Acosta's Office of the City Councilor, First District.
Diyan ba si Attorney Luna?
Ako, Luna bi ako. Luna ako apelyido.
Bantugra, gwapa, kaya mga Luna na gwapa.
Of course.
Oo, di ba?
Ano dyan ba sa mga Luna, mga gwapa yun?
Mayong buntag, mga ma'am, mga sir.
Good morning.
Good morning. And then we have from the office of Honorable Jessica M. Bunguyan, City Councilor, First District.
Also from the First District. Good morning. Kuya Alex, from what district ba ka? Kaubat man tanong.
District 2.
District 2.
Wow.
Yes, Algayan.
Yes,
District 2.
Algayan. Number 1 on the list.
Yes, always yun na. Bisag din pa kapangutan nun, oh, number 1 yung kaan.
Oh, kahit maski mobile ko sa District 1.
Sa Tojo na.
Okay, from the office of Honorable Bons Andre Militar.
From City Councilor, First
District.
District.
And now, we have the...
Once again, let's welcome the 2nd Congressional District Office of Davao City. Congressman Omar Vincent S. Duterte.
That's why we celebrate them aside from the flowers, the fauna, the fruits of Davao. Wherein every last quarter of the year, bountiful yung kayong harvest. Dagan, makita niyo ang mga different fruits, sama sa mangustin, sa mga durian, rambutan, bongo, iwan pa. Mauna, ligaw kayo mga turista na to. Ano panahon na?
That's why Davao City is known as the fruit basket of the Philippines.
Mayong buntag.
Maayong buntag.
And of course, we'd like to acknowledge our deputy mayors of the different tribes of Davao.
Every kadayo.
You don't want to miss the Japanese era. That is why Davao City is also called as the Little Tokyo. No? Because
That's
we
right.
have a community of Japanese settlers here.
Different influences.
Nine breast friends.
Best friends. So ladies and gentlemen, talapakan po natin sila. Joining us my friend Gray.
Hi, Gray.
Thank you very much. Wearing in pink.
Ato mga BFF. Best friends forever.
Best friends. Kung ay best friends, my best friends.
Thank you very much for joining.
Thank you very, very much.
Enjoy the moment.
This is all for you. This celebration is for them.
The street is all yours.
Alright, another group of very powerful individuals.
Kaya kung kaya nilang maglakad ngayong umaga, mag-use. Okay?
Thank you very much for joining.
Parang sila lang yata inalaw natin to ride the motor vehicle. Ito puno sa bigas.
Kanang-
Away ka to.
Kanang ginain mo nila na di mahulugan ng karayo.
Tinood yun na. And that was during the birthday of our former president,
Yes.
Tatay. To Barangay 37D, together with our barangay captain ng 37D and the Kagawad. Saan po si Kapitan? Wala si Kapitan?
And now let's welcome Barangay 38-D. Si Cap? Yes, nakakayo si Cap. Good morning, Cap. Happy araw ng Davao.
Buntag sa inyo ha. Tapos din sa Rojas Avenue.
Yes, Kuya, it's worth the
Kani mo, kailangan po mo upgrade po kay
government
relax ba?
agencies nato. So we would like to acknowledge the people from the Department of Justice,
Okay, mahal na kayo.
Provincial Office 11,
Ah, talaga gasolina.
Nagkaroon ng ibalita, isiraan
at
ang
the mga
takwat.
prosecutors.
Sa ira ng street hormone yun, isirado na yun ba?
Na. Sao na ron.
Hindi namin.
Gani.
Department of Justice. Pagpay na cleaner.
Kaya may mga kuwan.
Habang mo.
And we have
Aka ng
The Bureau of Plants Industry.
Bureau of Plant Industry.
Lang ka ba?
Hindi na makita lang po dito.
Ano baka na mga kuan? Takbo kita ni kuan.
City Agriculturist Office, Department of Agriculture.
Thank you very much for
Bye,
joining
Alvin.
our walking parade. Of course, let us welcome the Department of the Interior and Local Government of
Happy
Davao City
Fiesta sa Dabawenyo.
Operations Office.
Nang happy birthday Tatay Digong. Wish you bring him home. Yes po. Bring him home Tatay Digong. Mamaya papakita po natin yung suporta natin, no. Abangan mamaya, no. Tara na mamaya sa Solidarity. 3 PM po dito po sa Ruhas. Papunta po no ng City Hall.
Sa mga nanginhanglan og libre advice, yes, we have our public attorneys sa PAO. Good morning!
Atong ever reliable people from the public service office. And now we have the Department of Agrarian Reform, Provincial Office of Davao City. DAR.
Thank you very much and good morning. Also joining us is the Department of Agrarian Reform Regional Office, Region 11.
And now we move on to the Department of Education, Regional Office 11.
Also joining us this morning is no other than the Department of Trade and Industry, Region 11.
Professional Regulations Commission, Regional Office 11. Ang ating mga kasamahan from PRC.
Parin, happy birthday President Rodrigo Duterte.
So makita imo kuya no kag
Ayan ka Ma'am Susan.
mga tao dito.
Good morning, first program. Yes.
Philippine Nurses and we have PRC accreditation. Charter number 8.
Institute of Integrated Electrical Engineers.
Electrical Engineers.
Integrated Midwives Association of the
Oh, mga
Philippines.
midwife.
Chapter. Gold pa. Ito na malantaw na to.
Philippine Pharmacists Association Davao City Chapter.
Ay, buntag. And then we also have the
PAREB.
BAREB, Philippine Association. And now we have the Shimano Cycling Society.
Wow! Mga cyclista sama sa akong anak. Nag-join ang Ironman sa inyo.
Okay na
araw.
Shimano.
Wow, number 7.
Alright, next we have the terrain champion.
DSM, mga partner sa mga seamen na to. Mga asawa. Oh, diba?
May mga paboritong delivery.
Ang takbuhan ng mga nanay. Magtangat, magluto.
Grabe routines.
Kahit everyday mo ano.
And of course, right after the Talomo Central Elementary School Common Line 4, once again, ladies and gentlemen, Lambo Best
OLP.
Realty Brokerage. Wala na mga social media. Yes. Victoria, the market store. You can find them dyan sa may bahanan.
Sa Torres, we have a shop, a store in Torres. And also sa may Doña Vicente.
Rather than everywhere. The people from Lyceum of the Philippines, Davao, or LPU Davao.
Ang
Ayan,
school
ayan,
ng
ayan.
aking mga kids. Lyceum of
This is the Davao Colleges of Engineering and Aviation. Tama ba?
Ayan, ayan, ayan.
Good morning. Yes.
Napakaganda po no ng panahon ngayon. Mainit at may dalang hangin. Ayan. Tara na dito po sa Davao City. Ayan o, isang araw ng Davao City. Parada.
Kanis Leia, ang sunod natong grupo. Colorful kaayo.
Yes, my dear friends, let's welcome LGBTQIA+ Davao City Coalition!
Yan. Nanay QIA.
Nagataas,
Nagataas,
ano?
nagataas.
Ito, makompleto na ng alphabet.
I just wonder unsa mga plus.
Let's see if I have some friends here. Ay, Gretchen! Angel! We have Angel Montenegro. Gretchen, she's the... Sa ano?
Ayan daw, Maxel.
She's a beauty title holder.
Si Nico.
Reyna ng Davao! Oh my God, how could I forget?
Ayan, pinaka-colorful na banner sa
Hi, hello!
class.
Yes, ang mga best friends namin lahat.
Okay, aniya na ang ato ang mga higala sa Higala Community Center.
Windy City, yan. Si Giselle na.
Mga higala.
Happy Manalag Davao
Salamat sa
natin.
pagsapot sa ato ang ika-89 anibersaryo.
Good morning, happy Halloween, Davao!
More of them coming right up. Association Golden Gaze Davao Incorporated.
Hakbang Maisog, ayan.
And I'm sure this group will be
Hoy, Stevie, yay!
joining you later, the Solidarity Walk.
Sabay na! Sabay na sila!
Maybe 80% will be joining later.
Abang ng Maisog. We're looking forward later sa ating Solidarity Walk. You'll be there, right?
Yes.
Kita taon niya. Showing
So-
our strong support.
Sa kadaghan sa atong contingents, Kuya Alex, nag-uot na dyan doon.
Grabe. Wala pa yung mga motor vehicles anyway, no?
Yes,
Oh,
exactly. I
Unlike
could
in our
just,
previous parade, doon na dyan every now and then pinapakita na roads o mga motor vehicles.
I can just imagine kung na may mga motor vehicles. Grabe din na dyan yung maglihok na ito pa rin.
Oo.
So inana kadako ang
Wala ko
supporters
uniform.
ng mga tao diri sa Davao no,
Pero
sa
naka-green man ko, ma.
selebrasyon sa atong 89th Charter Day. And speaking of supporters, we have 24/7 vloggers volunteers sa balay ni Tatay Digo.
Yes! Ang atong pinakakusgang 24/7, di na rin siya matulog ba? 24/7 vloggers, volunteers sa balay ni Tatay Digo.
So they are watching they keep watch the balay of Tatay Digong, no? Kay I've seen some instances na naadyo'y sulod dito.
Yes.
Unwelcome guests, right? So
And it
sila
is-
ang mga isog na tigbalantay dito sa balay ni Tatay
And it is
Digong.
important na ma-inform po ang ato ang mga taga-suporta ni Tatay, no, of what's happening, especially nga to sa iyang lugar. And thanks to these people who are sacrificing their time and effort para bantayan 24/7.
That's right.
Now we acknowledge the Solid Dabawenja Support Group or SDSG Initiative
Ayan, sabay na tayo dito sa
Mga
24/7 Solid Vloggers. Ayan, Tatay Digong. Ayan.